Alright, I'm just gonna go down the list and go through every fucking chart I can see and tell you if I think if it's an opportunity for tomorrow. So I have a list. First thing is neg. It's fucking riggers, okay? We had this high that was created on the 8th of August. We kind of cleared it out today into 930s. We cleared it out, chopped around. Let's go back. Let's go down to the 2 minute. And okay, strange. Reorder below. Okay, cool. It's right here. So chop around it. I don't know how liquid this thing is, but it doesn't look too liquid. I think this in itself is a bullish pattern. We even took out this high, so we took out the clear out high. I think where this becomes super bullish is into close. We kind of closed high above these highs and then start chopping around this high below this one, but whatever. I think tomorrow if we can reclaim this or reclaim this, it might just be a breakout. I might look to buy it around VWAP. I might look to buy it on a dip to here, which I don't think we'll get. Let's see what the whole moves VWAP looks like. Still far. Let's look at what. Yeah, I guess 2-day VWAP would probably be not too far off. Okay, I think this is a top op. I mean, to be honest, most of it's because of fucking rigor, but let's see what happens. Peace Guy, I also like, not gonna lie. Beat Out really wants to short this. I think it looks interesting. I don't know what the fuck's going on, but I like things that I don't understand. It's like a straight up uptrend. We're above VWAP right now. I'll do the 2-day VWAP. That comes out significantly lower than VWAP. So let's see how this plays out. I'll put one here too, so that it just continues on tomorrow. But I'm thinking honestly, like if this can just start trending up on a moving average, which it already has, and then looks that way on the 5 minute as well, which it already has, I might try to just try to get to. I'll look to try to get long. On the other hand, I don't want to be longing into these levels right here. I don't really have that many other fucking tickers, I guess, because I'm a fucking idiot. And I don't know what to trade. Neg, I did. B-tie, maybe. Well, I didn't really see a setup here. Like, what do you see here, buddy? Nothing. I don't even know if this does anything significant. Or if they're like a treasury company or not. ATNF, totally missed. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I don't think there's anything else I can think of. Let's see. AAPL. I'm in this right now. I'm like praying that what happens is this breakout just continues instead of us coming back down into here. So this is like day 2 of the breakout, or I guess not. We broke out August 6th. This is like we're almost a full week into it. Are we too overextended? I don't know. Does this look parabolic yet? This looked pretty parabolic, and then is this just a clear out of these people? I don't know. By the look of the buyback from today, I'm assuming this is bid, and minimum target is 240. So what I want to do here is I'm in 200 shares from 231. 242 is the target. If I just keep my 200 shares and we don't retest my entry of, the opening print, then I'm good. Like I'll be okay. But on the other hand, I do want to be positioned that if this just like starts trending, I want to be like in 1,000 shares so I can make 10 grand, right? I don't know how that looks because I'd like to buy here. I'd like to buy here. But also like we see sometimes these first move downs and they just like boom, right? Like I have no fucking idea what to do on this one, but I will be like watching it closely. The other thing I like is Soul. I don't even know if this is feasible at this point. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's kind of just dicking around, which I love. Like I love that it hasn't just broke out, because if this was gonna go, it would go, and it hasn't. So I'm thinking it doesn't yet. ETH is kind of rolling over. Let's look at Bitcoin. Ooh, that's very fucking interesting. ETH BTC definitely tanking, right? Yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. I could see this going back to the yearly opening print, which is fucking here. Yeah. Yeah, so Bitcoin has time to run. Um, so nothing's a short. Maybe Bitcoin's a long. Let's see where IBIT closed. Oh yeah, IBIT closed pretty strong, bro. IBIT closed pretty strong. I don't know if the firm's long IBIT like crazy, but I probably should have longed IBIT. Yeah, the firm is long a fuck ton of IBIT. Oh well. Probably should have longed like 1,000 shares. But yeah, that's that. Let's look at Nvidia. I'm not sure if there's a trade on Nvidia. Looks kind of nasty. Semis not really in play, are they? RGTI looked good to me. Looked very interesting. It looked interesting because okay, this is the clear out, and then we're clearing out the clear out high, right? Great. Similar concept. Like, why are we back up here? We should not be back up here, right? Um, so if we get like past this high, I'm thinking we could move into this. But the other thing is like I want to get a good entry. I looked at the fact that we like cleared it out, then we nuked, then we came back in, cleared these highs, fell short of this one, and then came in here, consolidated, had this range, took out the low into a pre-market or a post-market session, and we've just been kind of like trending up. I don't know what to do here, but I'll be watching this closely. Um, AMD. Wow. AMD. Yeah, I think this has room to go, especially given the fact that we cleared out that high and we're still up here. We tanked into the daily opening print, which I longed, and then I closed it like right here. And I really should not have done that. I was only in 100 shares. Not sure what to do here. Maybe a sweep with this. Probably won't get this level. Should I buy the breakout? But then I'm playing it for like 2 points maybe. Not even. Yeah, so maybe a miss, but it is what it is. Let's look at Google. Okay, I guess this tanked a fuck ton today off that. Wow, I should have gone long Google. And this is like, I don't know, might not be super liquid. Whatever. Interesting stock. Could close at all-time highs soon. Microsoft. Yikes. Kind of a nasty chart, huh? Don't know what to do here. Yeah. Okay. Let's play some alerts. Let's look at Coin. Coin had a pretty good trade. I think it was today or was yeah, like straight up ran into this high. Such a clean, such a clean clear out. Not sure what the trade is here anymore. So I don't know. Definitely shouldn't be back up here again. If it's back up here again, it should be back up here. So I'll just set some alerts, and we'll see what the fuck happens. Well, you know what? I'll make more detailed video at work tomorrow because, you know, it's 9 and I'm not even sure if I'll be able to trade, and I think this could be like a potential runner, but I don't want to like be like I want to excuse me. I want to like this could come back down into these levels, and I want to be prepared for any eventuality. Let's look at Circle. I don't even know if eventuality is a word, if I'm being honest. It might be too late for me right now. Okay, I'd be interested in buying like a 150 quick sweep into 140s. This was an interesting trade that happened the other day, but we ran into 190s, fell short of 200. Didn't even take out this high. But it was like a very quick move. I think if we get moves like this, I should be, you know, shorting the fuck out of this, especially if we move like, yeah, I don't even know how to play this, but I don't give myself enough like leeway to be able to play this. But 30 points in a day, like Jesus Christ, I could have made 3 grand on 100 shares or 30 grand on a K. So maybe it's worth like risking 2 grand, 2,500, or put in 500 shares. You don't have to be in a grand, or you do 250 shares and two bullets, right? I gotta work on a lot of things, but it's good that I'm starting to actually spend time on analysis and all that. Um, I don't know what else to cover, cause what else was in play? Oh, let's cover real quick. BLSH. What's my plan for BLSH tomorrow? So let's go 5. Let's go the regular 4. 10. Go 5, 1, and or 2 and 1. Okay. So this one was huge fumble as usual. Opened. You know what? Real quick, I'm just gonna take a quick screenshot of this. Wow, very clean downtrend. Very fucking clean downtrend. Yeah. I guess that 95 offer held like a mug. You should have went short 500 shares there. Fuck me. Oh well. Um, I'm just gonna like take up closes of these real quick. This was a huge miss. 95 offer held. Such a hard trade though. I will say that. Maybe you could have bought this at 72 when it flipped an hour after close into the yeah, MA trend. Let's go 1 minute. And for this one, we'll put on copy 1M. Let's go 30 seconds, baby. Go really down into the weeds with it. The 80 break was clean. I think the 70 break was also not clean. 90 break was pretty clean. Well, 90 break was not clean, to be honest. 30-second. Okay. So let's just do a quick 95 offer held. Okay. $95 offer. Control Velcro. Okay, and then 90 bid decremented and rebid. Ultimately failed, and that low became resistance. Wow. Became resistance. Let's try drawing a line there to show. $88.12 low and 91.93 high. was by far super clean. The cleanest. No snap reclaim. Uh, 90 and 80 dropout. Let's go into the 2-minute. Was too clean. And then the 5-minute trend was super clean too. Yeah. Okay. So what do I want to do with this tomorrow? I kind of like looking at this like fly. Broke low. The next day, like all day. Oh, you know what? Like I need the fucking colors. 2, 2. We broke, and then we chopped, and then we gapped down. So let's see. I would be interested. Okay, first move down, maybe bid, but I'd be interested in selling that first pop. So to like capture that, and then below VWAP, I got slam size. So let's see how this plays. BLSH. IPO price was like 30 bucks. I think this could probably like open 4 a.m. down and then just keep going. Ah, fuck. I don't know where this goes. I will be short biased though, so let's see how this plays out. I think that's enough for tonight. I'm gonna go take a shower, eat some samosa, and then I'll catch you later. Watch this tomorrow.